everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I make videos on social media, troubleshooting, email services, and I also talk about latest trends. Today's video is going to be about how to transfer ownership of your Facebook page to another account. Yes, if you run a page on Facebook and want to transfer it to any other account or want to make someone else the admin of your page, I will show you the right way to do that. So let's begin with the video. Alright, first of all you have to log into your Facebook account that you use to manage your Facebook page, and then go to the pages section. Here you will see all your pages. Click on the one that you want to transfer to another account. Alright. Now scroll down here and click on the settings option. Now here you have to click on the option page roles. So as you can see, currently I am the only admin of my page. Now to transfer your page, here you have to enter the name of the Facebook account to whom you want to transfer it or make the admin of your page. First select the role as admin and you will get a notice that the person you are going to make the admin will share the same permissions that you have. Alright, so enter the name here, select the account and click on add. Alright, so enter your account's password. So as you can see, it is showing as pending, so the person has to accept your invitation, only then he will be made the admin of your page. So now I will log out of my account and here I will log into the account where I want to transfer my Facebook page to accept the invitation request. Alright, so I am going to log into my another account. So here you have to click on the notification bell icon in the top right corner. And as you can see, I have got the invitation from my other account to become the admin of the page. So I will click on that. Here you have to simply accept the invitation, or you can view the page first, or if you want you can even decline this invitation or use other options that you see here. So now I will accept it and now I will log out of this account and log in back to the previous account to see if the changes have been made or not. So yeah, again you have to go to the pages section and now open your page, click on settings and now click on page roles. So as you can see here, my another account has also been added as the admin of this page. Alright, so now here are two admins. If you want, you can just remove this person as admin if you want. Alright, or you can remove yourself, your previous account if you want. Alright, by clicking on this option. So if you will remove yourself, you will not be able to manage your page. Alright, the other person whom you have added as the admin will manage your account and will delete or add the post here. Alright, so yeah, that was all about how to transfer ownership of Facebook page to another account. So if you want to make your friend or your relative the admin of your page, you can follow this video. If you have any queries left in your mind, you can mention them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.